Look at the stress fractures right here. The sensor array confirms the instability we detected earlier. The alignment looks stable up to the third marker.
Confirmed. The deviation is within acceptable parameters.
All right, bring the boom down slowly. Watch the clearance on the third support. Hold it there.
All right, bring it over here. Watch your hands on that edge. Looks good, let's secure it. All right, bring that beam around. Watch the cable, careful now.
Line it up exactly there. Keep it tight to the curve.